Kansas City's world-renowned Stowers Institute, Science Director Kausik
memory is all about today and tomorrow. This is what defines us.
is also looking for clues in how the brain makes a memory.
In my mind, this is seeing memory.
In February of 2024, his research won a $200,000 grant to keep working on another theory.
Every time we create memories, we use some proteins. Proteins are essentially driving everything in our body, every single thing, including memory. However, proteins are made and then they disappear. So the question is then, if we are making a memory with proteins and these proteins are going to disappear after a couple of days, then how the memory is going to survive for years and months.
C's research focuses on those proteins called amyloids that clump in the brain, causing neurological diseases. He thinks they're not part of the problem, as so many do, but maybe part of the solution.
What our research has revealed something that is very unusual and unintuitive. Amyloids that we thought are supposed to be disease-causing and memory-disrupting, it seems like there are proteins that can form amyloid and can store memory, which is exactly opposite.
His Stowers Institute lab was the first to suggest a certain protein may be at the center of biochemical changes at the connection points between neurons, forming the basis of memory.
So our thinking is that amyloid may be normal from the brain, and the reason you have the brain is susceptible to diseases when the normal process goes wrong. Again, it raises these ideas and questions. We do not know whether all of them will be true.
The bottom line is this: despite all this work and the hundreds of millions of dollars being spent, despite the progress and the breakthroughs, there's still no cure. Ask any researcher and they'll tell you, we know so much more than we did 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. We know more how to reduce your chances of developing Alzheimer's, but we don't know yet how to fix the damage already caused, and no one has the answer to when or how that will happen.